How to fix Facebook an unexpected error occurred. Please try login again. So if you're facing this kind of problem, then what you need to do is first you need to check your internet connection. Once you've done that, you need to go with your Play Store. And under Play Store, if you have any updates under your Facebook application, then you just need to simply go and update it. Search for Facebook and you will have an update option instead of this open option. So you just need to simply go with update. And once you updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to that Facebook application. Go with the app info and tap on storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device. And after restarting, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then it might be because of too many login attempts or because of some glitch or an issue on Facebook application. So you just need to simply wait for a few minutes or a few hours, and you can try after a few hours and your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Facebook unexpected error occurred. Please try login again. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.